follow us on Instagram. We are 23 followers away from 100. It's Deja here of Deb and Deja. I am going to be showing how I do my mom's makeup. She has been asking me for quite some time, so here we go. First, we are doing foundation. I have used her everyday color and gotten her a nice even tone. Now, for concealer, I am just using a lighter shade foundation and buffing it into her skin. One of the most important rules of makeup is to ensure that it appears seamless. So I am being intentional about taking my time to blend both the lighter shade and darker shade in seamlessly. I am zooming you in for a better look of the eyes. I am going for a neutral look. We are using a medium tone brown in the crease and a gold shimmer on the lid. To help the gold shimmer shadow pop, I am simply wetting the brush and applying the gold shimmer again. Blend to ensure that it is seamless and apply black eyeliner to the ends of the lids to open the eye. My mom has excellent brows, so I'm simply going to fill in the spaces with a dark pencil. Apply mascara to the ends of the lashes and the base of the lash, and powder to even out the skin tone. Just a hint of blush to the apples of her cheek. Here she is checking out my good work, taking selfies. A nice dark brown lipstick on the perimeter of her lips and a subtle nude lipstick on the inside. Blend, blend, blend. And there we have it, ladies and gentlemen. A nice spritz to give her that dewy finish, and she is done. Show off, girl. Yes, yes, yes. Isn't she beautiful? That's my mama. Bye, guys.